Hello, welcome to this channel. So in this tutorial we're going to learn how to add a URL link with your WooCommerce product in WordPress. So we're gonna move to these three parts which will set up the whole process of every product. So first of all, what we need to is the website link. As like I am working with this website, so this website URL link is that, and add cart command. So if we want to add a product link, then we need this command, add to cart, and there will be the product ID. So what is product ID? So in product list there are all product will be listed. So if we want, as like I'm going to add it to variant product list, there are two variant product, so I'm going to add product link in this button, also in this button, and also in this both. So what we're gonna do is, first of all, we search looking for the product name. So this product name is monthly business tech support plan, so we'll need to search this product name in the product list. So here you get the product name. As you can see, there is a product ID. So if your product is a simple subscription product, if your product are only one subscription plan, then you just only need to copy this product ID into product ID, and don't be use bracket. I'm just using for example. So the total URL will be like this: http www.yourwebsite link, and then we just simply need edit this command and equals to the product ID name. So since I have multiple product plan in a product, so I'm going to edit this and get the variation product ID number. So if you have variation product, then you will go to click edit, then go to okay. So actually this is a subscription product, so there is no variant product list. I just say wrong. So this product link will be added with this plan. So what we need, just we don't need any edit or in variation product, so only we just can do is copy the ID, because it's a simple subscription plan. So we just copy the ID and as like only just paste here the ID number, and just simply copy this full link and go to this page. So usually I'm using edit with UX builder. You can use any other plugin to edit your product and home page, any kind of page. So what I am going to do, just I copied this link, and now I'm just going to click on it, this button. So I will change the name, add to cart, because the link will direct to the cart link. Okay, so I just paste the link here, and also I'm going to paste the link in there also. So I'm just paste it and click on apply and update. So now when I'm click on add to cart, this product will automatically link to the cart option. So let's check. Okay, I'm completely successful to update. Okay, so I only completed this part, I'm not completed this part. So if I click there is no change there is no URL loading anything because there is no link. So when I click on it, so the URL link is loading. Okay, so now you can see the business IT support plan unlimited service monthly has been added to your cart. So you can see that the cart is there, so $39.95. So that's why you can easily add a product link. Also, if you have any variant product list, so suppose in a product list you can see there, so there is a range of price list, so this is a variation product list. So we need to simply go to edit option. Okay, so you can see that variable product, so the variable product will be for a same product will be in different price. So for this we need to go variation, and we get the all the three parts of price plan of this product. So this is a light version, pro version, and extreme version of that product. So we have different 3 ID. So simply we just need to copy this ID and paste it on there. I can show you, sorry, okay, copy, see. Okay, so I just copy it and paste it. So when I search this URL, what we need to do, we just simply go to the page builder, and as same as we did in few minutes ago, we just simply do this. So we're gonna paste it and press enter. Okay, so you can see that flat rate technical support plan has added to your cart. So this way we can add the product variant product price, also how to add product link in WooCommerce and website. Thank you.